They're all yours.
I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. They yours. Shit, I don't know them. All mine's are moderators.
You don't know JP?
I'm just. That's one of yours. Don't try to put that on me. That's one of your people. My stockers are moderators. Yours
I don't know how to moderate.
That's one of your people. Bars. Yeah, I think that's the one that old boy don't like. I'm just saying. I don't.
What old boy?
Is that the one?
A lot of people don't like JP. That's why I fuck with him.
If nobody don't fuck with you, shit, I'll fuck with you, bro. Oh man, that's why I was like, hey, that's the one. Okay, yeah, yep. Cheers. I'm in the same boat. Don't even worry. I'm in the same boat. Okay. They don't like me neither. Cheers. Yes.
What?
There it is. Whoop, there it is. Oh. Yeah. Appreciate it.
You think the Cowboys gonna win?
I ain't watch shit. I ain't watching no draft, none of that shit. I didn't want to see the regular season. That's all I can say. Fuck it. I'm a dog. They can lose all that shit.
It's hot outside.
Man, I got a fan now. I'm chilling. I got an AC outside. Yeah, you remember when it was cold outside? Your ass had that little heater. Shit, I got me a fan outside. Bars.
Hey, don't forget the blanket. I had a blanket out of that bitch too.
Boy, you had a quilt. That boy had a quilt. He had a blanket, boy. That was a quilt. Yeah, he was like an old lady outside with a heater up on her legs and shit. He sure was. Bars. Okay. His blood was low. He needed.
People don't realize I'm speaking facts when I say I stay outside.
For real.
I go inside and go and eat, and that's it. Oh, and poop.
Yeah, he passed out. Yeah, we passed. I consider you just need like 4 hours of sleep. I don't think you need 8. I think you need like 4.
6 sometimes.
No, you pushing it. No, you pushing it. I just get, I just put, I'm up. Showtime, we go get this money. Bars. Like, what? He said, well, you need 6. Not 8. Yeah, man. Bars, everybody represent. He said that now. That's what they gonna do, shit. Yeah, man. Appreciate everybody. What time did you get out today? Oh, now you was out today then, huh? Did it start today? It started today?
Thursday. This past Thursday.
Oh, shit, boy. You been chilling like a motherfucker. Or, I know you might be stocked up since you knew you gonna be out already. Hell yeah, that bitch ready still stocked pretty good. Damn. Ooh-wee. That sounds too nice. That sounds nice. Damn.
Hey, it's another ice storm.
Yeah, like what, 2 weeks?
No. 10 days.
A week and a half?
Yeah, about that.
Week and a half. I'm like, damn, boy, that's nice.